Smartfm presents Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia, business and inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program in collaboration with BPEC Makassar. And as usual, you are with me, Rifa Majid, as your host tonight, and also with my several friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi, guys. How are you? What's up?
Hi. We are doing great today.
Yes, so happy to see you
great
again
today.
tonight, and we can meet each other in a good condition, in a healthy condition, and we must be grateful for that. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Please introduce yourself and say hi to smart listener.
Hi, I'm Dewi. I'm a full-time mother and a housewife. And I joined in BPC since 2003.
Whoa, it's been a
now.
long time. Okay, so the next one is.
Hi, my name is Jumriati and I'm from BPEC
Uh-huh.
in 2021
Mhm.
now.
Okay,
Okay.
so Jumriati is one of the committee
Yes.
of BPEC right now.
Yes.
Okay, in now's period.
Yes.
Okay, well, so the next one is Mr.
Hello, smart listener. My name is Aswin Asranto, but you can call me Aswin. I'm committed to in BPC.
Okay, the new committee of BPEC Makassar, and welcome to our president.
Okay, sorry I'm late.
It's okay. Hi, Mr. Rachang, how are you?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. Oh
Uh-huh.
yeah. Are you have a off day today, or you just have a lesson on your colleague, or what? Guys.
Can you repeat, Kak?
Oh my god. Do you have an off day today?
Oh yeah. This
Because
is
of
the day is Islamic New Year.
Oh yeah. Today is New Year, Islamic New Year. So happy Islamic New Year, guys.
Happy
Islamic
Islamic
New
New
Year.
But before I ask you, what did you hope? Yeah, as usual, if we face the new year, there's always new hope and new, how to say, and new step for life, maybe. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna discuss about it, but I want you to explain firstly about BPEC Makassar. What BPEC Makassar? So smart listener can recognize you really deep.
Okay, so actually okay, first of all, thanks for the opportunity that giving to us. So actually, smart listener is BPC Makassar is the oldest community in Makassar focusing learn English, right? And actually, the BPC Makassar is, maybe we can say, community focusing social, because yeah, we giving we can give your profile, such as a place which one we can learn about anything, because in BP Makassar have 5 items in, we can say, weekly Sunday meeting of lovely Sunday meeting, right? And we have UMI, and also is breaking and DND, or discussing and debating, and also we have building skill. Maybe you can improve your grammar and etc. And the last is announcement. So guys, if you learn of zero, it's okay, because yeah, we can, because it is the community if open for the all of the people, even if you child, adult, and etc. Thank you.
Okay, so there's no an age requirement to join BPEC Makassar, or to join their 5 favorite programs, from the Sunday meeting and until the announcement program, right? And so yeah, as we know, BPEC Makassar is one of the oldest English communities in Makassar, that you can learn English very well, which every with every member of BPEC Makassar. Well, back to the topic, guys. I'm gonna ask you, and I'm curious actually, what are you doing in this off day of Islamic New Year, and what are your new hope? What is your new, how to say? Am I right? What is your new hope for this new year, starting from Miss Dewi first?
For me, because I'm a mother, yeah. Everything is normal, and every day there is no day without like a cleaning a house or something like that. But the only things I have, I always put my hopes that is I'm more religious, even though not no, it doesn't make any sense from my look, yeah. And of course I have to teach more morality and religious to my two other adorable daughters. And for sure we don't celebrating anything because in my principle celebrating like anniversary or birthday or something like that is like, how to say, just a common things, yeah. Because every day is a special day for me. I mean, you
So-
don't have to wait for the
For a moment.
yeah
to
for the
come.
moment. You can make a moment every day.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So that's it.
So, what are your new hope, guys?
Yeah, thank you for the chance. Yeah, my hope, first of all, it's yeah, the pandemic. I hope the pandemic will end in this.
Amin,
years.
amin, amin.
Yeah.
I mean,
I wish so. I hope so.
And the second is because it's the Islamic New Year. It's have yeah the have a moment where the we our Muslim move from yeah, it's actually the Muslim New Year because it's ditandai because
Marcus.
apa itu movement from Mecca to yeah from because in Mecca it's ada penyembahan berhala, so because of that actually it's we move from the zaman jahiliyah to zaman yang terang benderang.
Oh yeah. From the darkness to the lightness.
Yeah.
Well, so simple answer from Mr. Achang and Jumriyati. What's your hope?
Okay,
in
so
this new year.
okay, so actually, exactly, I hope it will be better than before, because yeah, sometimes this coronavirus already exists. That is why we it will limited to us to do something, some like yeah, we want to conduct in Benteng, but this pandemic already exists. That is why we cannot conduct in this Benteng. And also we have we as a young. I hope because in this new year, because I'm Islam like right, and yeah, we hope we can be better than before. It terms of my education, my attitude, my morality, and etc. And also I hopefully this is the regulation, maybe a criminal will decrease in this new year, and also we can improve in my life to getting rewards or amal jariyah from the God. I think that's all.
So the last for this segment.
Okay, I hope in this Islamic New Year is I hope we can be better from before, and I hope coronavirus right now can. Then in order we can how to say
That's okay. You can speak. We help you. We help
get
you.
out. Get out with free.
Freedom.
Free day and
Free of mask.
yes.
Without using any mask anymore.
No more ways.
Yeah.
No more mask anymore. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Just wait and see when the coronavirus will game over.
I mean,
Well, guys, I think that's all the hope from everyone in this world, and me too. And yeah, the new hope we'll see, and we wish we can reach the wish and our hope for this year. Well, sometimes in a new year or a special moments, or yeah, sometimes the how to say, our close friends or the family inviting us to celebrate something, to celebrate not only New Year moment but every moment that the people think need to be celebrate. Nah, sometimes also we have no time to join the celebration or make any celebration, I think so. Yeah, but sometimes also people cannot deny and cannot how to say, cannot reject the invitation because of they are the person who cannot say no.
okay.
You got my point.
Yeah, I get it.
And yeah, it's easy to say but it's difficult to do when the people come to us inviting us or asking for some help. And yeah, we are in the condition that we are unable to help. So yeah, but we cannot say directly, I can't. I can't receive, or I must reject you, I must refuse the offer. So yeah, I think maybe that's all happening to you. Or you ever have experience like that?
Yeah,
So I want to know your feeling. I want to know how actually we have to say no sometimes and we have to say yes sometimes. Yes, we will have a discussion about this, but we have to take a break for a while, so don't go